Hi guys, theory is important, but we need also to practice. Today we are here at ISAM, the Research Institute for Cars and Engines, with MORE. MORE is the first motoclub that we created in 2010, and I'm so happy to be here again. It is like 10 years that I don't run with them, so for me it's like coming to the origin. We are following the genuine roots of motorsport. As you will see, everything is needed and no more. Low budget, simple mechanics and tons of passion. Today, since I'm a guest, I will probably have the chance to test some bikes, and for sure I will have fun. I am a little bit rusty, but you know, there is always time to improve. So guys, let's try something. See you later.
I'm here with Emanuele. We've just left the track after a session, very intense session between me and Emanuele. We've had a little battle. He was better than me in the corners, but I had more power on the braking part of the track. So it was fun.
It was fun for sure. It is not true that I'm faster. He's very faster than me, but it was really fun. I mean, a wonderful day, a sunny day, a lot of guys, and this bastard is very strong on the brakes, and it has been very nice to be overcome on the straight. Thank you guys, see you.
Ciao.
Ciao. So guys, I tried a lot of bikes, was really fun. I'm really cooked. It is a really nice day. I really liked to run again. I mean, like 7 years without doing it. It was so fun. Mario Di Giampietro.
Bravo Mario.
Bravo
Mario.
Congratulations.
Grazie.
Sara Terenzi.
Sara, bravissima, la nostra corsista più elegante.
Congratulazioni. Congratulazioni. Marco Baleani.
Bravo Marco, bravo.
Congratulazioni.
Sei migliorato tantissimo dalla
Congratulazioni.
mattina al pomeriggio. Ciao a tutti, alla
Ciao a
prossima.
tutti. Ciao.